Hey, before we get started with the show, man, I'd like to make some announcements. I see a lot of y'all returning viewers watching, but you're not subscribed to the channel. Hey, y'all do me a favor. While y'all watching this, y'all stop, go over there and click that subscribe button and come along for the ride, all right? We'd love to have y'all. Oh, catch a key in Buffalo, all right? Love to have y'all. Y'all come along, man. Let's go. Oh, got it. There we go. First one, y'all.
Yeah.
He came up and got it, huh? All right, y'all. We got the first one of the morning. That's 11 with a crooked tail. I've been catching a lot of these crooked tail crappies out here. So what I did here now, I located some structure. What I did, I moved my cursor to the right, to any side, and I paused the screen. That way now I can see the structure and I can make it where it fits my eyes, y'all. So now let me go back to menu, contrast, and you see what I'm talking about. I can run that contrast all the way up till I blow it out. See how it's too much? Now I'm at 20 on contrast. Now I'm backing it down to where I can make out the fish. And you can see the crappie holding to that structure right there. Now I'm on 16 contrast. That looks good to me, 16. I'm gonna leave it right there. So now, let me go to sensitivity. You see what I'm talking about. Now you can run that sensitivity all the way up to 20. That's too much. Back it down until it starts looking good to your eyes. That's where I do it. 17, 16, 15. I'm gonna say 15, let's try that. All right, y'all. That's how I locate crappie on structure with my humminbird. Helix 10, y'all. Got it? There you go. Yes, sir. There you go. There you go. Shoot.
Sure. That's a click it.
I got it. That's fine. Let's go.
I saw him dabbed it. He didn't take it under, but I saw him pop it.
Oh, got it.
Got it.
I got it. Yep.
Got it. I seen it coming up. Nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go, y'all. It's 3 more on that tree, huh? Right there. That's a little bit. All right, y'all. Drop down and stuck him. I got that black and chartreuse hand tie from Lemon's Tackle. 1/4 ounce lead head. Oh, Steve Gunclave, y'all. I need some more, Steve. Only got one left, buddy. Need one more. Well, I need a couple more from you. Nice, boy. That's good. That's a big one down there. Coming under the boat. God dang it. Come here. All right, y'all. I don't know if he gonna make it. We're gonna take his measurements real quick. don't know if he's gonna make it though. God dang, they little, but this 11 and a half. He going in. Big fish, huh? Yeah. Big fish. Come here. Yeah. Oh. I'm trying to give him back to the lake. Big fish, y'all. Oh. There we go. Big white. Big white. Right there. Yep. He came up and got it. Oh my gosh. Told you. Right here. There you go. There you go. Aggressive too, buddy. And I got him, y'all. As soon as I drop down on him, y'all. Alright, let's go. That's a 12-inch crappie, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Hey, y'all look at my hat my daughter and my wife made me. Thank you, baby. Hope y'all can see that real good. Got the Catching with Key badge on there. Yes, sir. My babies made me official. Thank y'all, babies. Let's go, baby. Click it up. You got your battery on.
And they're getting coming up.
You got him?
Yeah.
There you go.
Getting coming. Like a few. Yeah. Good 12. That's a 12, nephew. Well, you find the sandwich, okay?
It's on. Camera's on.
Let's see how he do.
All right, y'all.
Okay, let's see what you got, baby. 11 and a half.
Yep. Just caught this 12-inch crappie. Had to change locations. They shut down on us. Let's click it up. Yeah, we better start keeping these cans, buddy. Oh, push yourself in that tree, huh? Don't fall, though. I don't think just a tune.
Get it, get it. Alright, shit. Already finna pick him.
Alright, y'all. Little 13-inch crappie on deck. Alright, y'all. There we go. Let's go, baby. Got a nice 13-inch crappie, y'all. Let's go. There you go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he got some shoulder.
Let's go.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on in. Oh, yeah. This is mama. This is mama. Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's a nice black.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. We had to change locations. See what I got and see what I got.
He mean too, ain't he?
Got a black crappie, white crappie. Let's go, baby. Out the same hole. fish.
It's gonna be a click. Go verify though.
Got it? There you go. Look nice. Come on. Oh, good. Ain't gotta mess with it. Nice. Come on in here, big boy. Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's a nice black in there. See where I got him at? Woo! He ain't going nowhere, y'all. Nowhere. He ain't going nowhere. Let's go, baby.
Got it? See.
Oh, he big enough. Yeah. So let him in there. Woo! Took us a while to find him, y'all. Took us a while to find him. But we got him. 12 and a half, y'all. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Buffalo. That's a clicker. Step back, that motherfucker right there. Oh yeah, same spot. I had to actually go out into the foul and hit him. What to do again?
Click that other one?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Nice black. Come on, Key. Let's go, baby. I got y'all turning around the wrong way. Y'all ain't even seeing the action. Hey, welcome back to the show, y'all. My bad. This what y'all missed. I'll catch nothing for you, though. I had y'all turned the wrong way. Let's go, man. Maybe a 10. Let's go see what he is, y'all. Look like old Tiddly Porter. That just goes. We've been sniffing on you long enough. Is it big? Oh, that's 11.
Going in.
Don't fall now.
In.
Sure right.